Hey everyone, Will here with New England Foundation Crack Repair. Just want to show you what we're going to do today. Customer is getting water right from the pipe coming down. You can see the stains. Just pumping the crack right here. We're going to fill it right in. Hey everyone, Will here from New England Foundation Crack Repair. Just finished sealed the pipe. See, it's sealed all the way through. We injected it on the sides. So that's all done.
Contact New England Foundation Crack Repair today. We can be reached by calling 833-632-7225 or by visiting www.newenglandfoundationcrackrepair.com.